Working with Melanie was more of a challenge. It was a new challenge to me, which I explained to her that I've never had a client in the past with a limbs missing. I've had high blood pressures, high cholesterol, fibroids, diabetes. I've had those type of clients, but I've never had ones with limbs missing. So this is a challenge, and are you up for it? And she jumped to it. Melanie, she didn't tell me her complete medical or physical condition. We just focused more on the missing limbs. And she had, I believe it was congestive heart failure. She had issues getting in and out of the wheelchair. And those were the good challenges for me because I believed that I could get her in and out of the wheelchair. Now she actually gets to the floor, gets in all the machines in the gym. Whatever I need her to do, like a person who had 2 arms and 2 legs, she can do. We get through the exercises with I would say sheer determination because she has not backed down from any of the challenges. So that's why I think we have a great relationship. When I show her, some of them look like a mountain to climb, but she does climb it at the end of the day. What I've noticed with her is she's dropped a lot of poundage. It's approximately 45 to 47 pounds she's dropped. Also her leverage, she moves around easy. She went ahead and got the false leg. So we're going to be working with that very shortly. So what I did was the stump, what she has right now. We strengthened that so it can the false leg can be attached to it. So the difference is her midsection is so much stronger. She can sit upright in the wheelchair now. Her spine is definitely stronger, so she can stand up. I have her doing like single-legged squats. So it's something where some people would say it's too much for her, but we gradually worked our way into it. We also have the stump on the arm, where I strengthen that also. So when she's ready, she can get that arm fitted also. But right now we're working the legs so she can actually get out the wheelchair and walk with 2 legs. So that's the aim right now.